All right. What's up? What's up? Let's go sniping on this crypto market here. All right. All right. What's up? What's up? Let's go sniping on this crypto market here. All right. All right. My bad. What's up? What's up? Let's go sniping. Wow. Sorry, guys. There's all this audio on right now. Hold on. Here we go. Sorry, I'm updating something real quick. Boom. All right, there we go. I had to put, sorry, hold on. So dumb. Amateur hour over here. All right, here we go. We're back. I wanted to put the free Discord link in the description of the YouTube channel. Sorry about that. I'm not organized right now. I jumped on here on the fly. What's up, guys? We are live. Let me post this. All right, here we go. Here we are. We're in the second peanut trade. I did 100x live on this one, dude. This is a crazy scalp right here. Let's see. What up, Crypto Andrew? What's up, yo? What up, man? What up, guys? You're watching Wi-Fi and Lunacy. All right, cool. We are in the second peanut scalp. I did a side-by-side, dude. The second one's ripping right now, too. Guys, on the second one, I'm up 200% right now. This is crazy. I did 100x on this one. None of this is financial advice, by the way, guys. This is just me trading and putting out some ideas. I encourage everybody to do their own TA. Let's go. I'm out of the first one. I am in this one. I'm going to post this. Dude, this one is ripping right now. Hold on. Dude, this is crazy town. Let's go. 255%. What? 260%. Interesting. super weird. All right, what up, guys? 100x, dude. Yeah, I used 100x on this trade. I hardly ever do it, but I saw such a crazy good entry. I was like, I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna try it, and I put my stop loss like crazy low, and it worked out. I'm up 205% right now. I just posted it. Dude, let's freaking go. All right. I am going to take 50% off of that trade for sure. Raise my stop loss. Raise my stop loss underneath this 21. My stop loss is here now. All right, let's go on a little sniper hunt here. I'm in that trade. I love that trade. That's great. I'm gonna watch that on another screen here. There's some flags starting to form that I want to like start to get ahead of if we can. Interesting setup possibly for Jasmine here. You know what I mean? Interesting setup for Jasmine. I want to look at this, guys. It might take a long here. I'm not in quite yet, but I think I might take a long here. Let me see. All right, I'm going to attempt this one. All right, here's a Jasmine long idea. It's super high risk. It's not letting me copy and paste my charts right now. It's so weird. All right, well, if you're on the live, hey, what's up, Carlos? Time for gains, dude. Yeah, 333. What's up? Let's see. I'm gonna attempt this little long here as well. The peanut trade, I'm up 200%. This is crazy. So I'm setting this up in weeks right now. I'm in Jasmine. Trying to front run something here on Jasmine. I don't know if I'll get this one, but it's all right if we don't. We're gonna keep the stop loss super tight, right under that 21, just in case. There's a good chance we can get stopped out, but. Let's see. All right, let's see if we get this one. All right. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe. We live trade most days here, and we have been crazy on the snipes, dude. We've been sniping like insane. I don't know if we're gonna get this one. I don't like the 21 curving down here. So if we get a bounce, great. If we don't, we might get stopped out here and we'll move on to something else. But the peanut trade, I'm up 200%. It's been crazy. Let's watch this here. We'll see if we get stopped out here, or if we get the bounce. But yeah, hit the subscribe, and also I just put my free Discord link in the description of this video. So you can actually refresh. Should be there though in the description of this video if it's not, just refresh. You can join my free Discord where we have just great energy, great calls. It's just super fun. Yeah, it's not looking good on this one. I was trying to front run an idea here. I'm not stopped out quite yet, but about to be. Let's go. Come on, get that bounce. Barely making it on that one. If we get a bounce here, that's great. I didn't get stopped out, but look, that's like it's tight stop loss. So if we lose out on this one, I will be okay. What's the peanut trade doing? Still going high in the peanut trade. This is 100x leverage. I can't believe I snagged that one. But I kind of can because we've been just crushing it. It's been insane. The vet trade panned out. Look at that. All the way to the target. Almost to the target. Sold for gains. Ooh, Algo's looking good, guys. Hold on. There might be a nice setup right here for Algo. Let's look. It's a nice possible scalp for Algo right here. Here you go. Here's an idea. I'm not taking this, but this might be a good scalp for Algo. As long as we hold the 21. I'm not in it yet, but there's the idea for you. We're getting that cross on the 5 minute. This looks good. This looks really good for Algo right here. Even if it's like this on the 5 minute. You know what I mean? If you're on the live, it's the only way you're seeing this right now. I can't copy and paste my trades for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know what's going on with TradingView. We'll see. Jasmine kind of hanging on. Hold on. I'm not in this trade yet, by the way. I'm not in this trade yet. I just gave you that idea. Just looking at it, I'm watching that flag. But if it loses this support, I think it'll probably turn into a falling wedge. Something. We'll watch that. We'll watch that. Jasmine, getting stopped out on Jasmine. It's all good. Yeah, all good. Now let's look for some other setups here. Interesting. XLM maybe. This could be really nice actually. Hold on. Because I like this 21 right here. Let me get set up. Hold on. I'm watching for a setup here on XLM. Greetings, Danny. How's it going? Yeah, if you guys just got here too, you're welcome to join my free Discord. It's right in the description there. Super good energy. A lot of great people in there. Let's see if we can front run something here. All right, I just closed my peanut trade for 200% gains, guys. That is crazy. That is crazy. All right, might attempt to scalp here for XLM. And I'll modify the flag here just to follow that 21. We'll see how this looks in a second here. We got to watch what Bitcoin's doing as well. So I don't know. This is very early. This is a very high risk setup here. What is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin's losing a little bit. It's probably going to come down to that support. We'll see if we get this. I'm in the trade. We'll see if we get it. Super high risk. I think last night's live, guys, I think we did like 8 wins on that live or something like that. It was freaking nuts. I don't know if you guys are there, but it was wild. So what I'm trying to do right here is I'm trying to front run this. I might even put my stop loss up closer. I'm going to put my stop loss right here. I'm trying to front run this idea here to get ahead of it, to get a good setup. And if I don't get it, I'm okay. That's why I'm keeping my stop loss super low, or yeah, super tight. But I like this 21 curving like this. And if we can hold that, then we got the trade. If we can't, we're going to lose out on the trade. You know what I mean? And it's not a big deal because we're right here. It's not like the end of the world. But this is how I've been catching a lot of my scalps lately. It takes some guts to front run for sure, but you know, it's like, can be worth it. A good chance we'll lose this trend line here, and if we do, we'll look for something else. Daphne, what's up? Attempting to front run here, and it's not looking good on this one either. Let's see. I was hoping that 21 would hold on this one. It might have been a little steep. Like now, this is where I'll usually will pull a fib, and it's like it could bounce. I'll probably put my stop loss right here, below the 618. And if we get a bounce from the 618, then we're all right, maybe. You know what I mean? And we'll extend the flag out like this. So let's see if we get that bounce right now on the 618. Usually that happens on something like this, but again, if we get stopped out, it's not the end of the world. We'll look for something else, which is very high chance we'll get stopped out on this one as well. I want to re-look at what's going on with Bitcoin as well in a second. Just kind of adjusting things in my week's trading account as well. So hang tight. Let's see if we get that golden pocket bounce here. If we do, we might get this. We might get this trade. We'll see. We scalped. I mean, dude, I've already gotten 5 wins this morning. Somehow. And I think like 2 losses. Some of the trades, you know what I've been doing though, is I've been monitoring them so much that where I just will adjust my stop loss and look for the moving averages. And if you lose certain things, even if you're in the green, if you lose certain things, I'll just adjust my stop loss to break even, or I'll bail out like that. You know what I mean? And it saved me from getting, you know, wiped out on every trade or something. You know, a lot of you guys have been messaging me on, hey, how, you know, can you help me with just managing trades and stuff like that, and how's that work? So I get it. It's definitely hard. But if it was easy, everybody would be doing it. So you're here, you're learning, and we're doing the thing, you know. It's incredible what we can do, especially when all of our minds come together, in my opinion. When all of our minds come together, it's positive and yeah. That was a nice message I just got right now. What up, Alex? Let's go. Guys, if you haven't yet, like and subscribe. It's a brand new channel here, and we're doing tons of live trading. It's been freaking going off. It's been amazing. I have my free Discord link in there in the bio as well, or sorry, in the description of this video. If you want to join the free Discord, you're welcome to do that. It's really good energy, really good group. Man, we've been crushing these scalps though. I don't know if we're gonna get this one right here. I don't know. What's Bitcoin doing, guys? Bitcoin attempting to get above that 21 again. It's been a very interesting day, right? For Bitcoin. I was short. I caught a little short earlier, then I was long. What's going on? Let me see. It's an interesting channel. It's like, it doesn't really look like a rising wedge. It just looks like a rising channel. Super interesting. XLM, yeah. I'm looking at, the reason why, here, I'll show you the XLM trade right now. It closed below the 21, yes. But I put my stop loss a little lower because of this. Which I don't know if we'll get it, but it's just one more tool is getting that 618 golden pocket bounce. See that? That's what I was kind of betting on this one. Once it lost that 21, I was like, Then I drew a fib, and look, right off this golden pocket area, or the 618, got a bounce. So we might have a chance here. It might just fall off, and we might lose out on this trade. And if we do, no big deal. My stop loss, I'm going to leave right here just in case we need another bounce on the 618. And if we do, we'll just extend the flag out. You know, create a new trend line if we get a bounce. I don't know if we're going to get it. If it doesn't, it could come down to here even to the 786. And at that point, I'll just look for a new setup. No big deal. See, you getting another bounce off that 618. You see that? So we'll see. We will see. So now that it did that, now that we got the bounce off the 618, that's where I draw my trend line. See what I'm saying? For the flag. This whole thing was an idea to front run, and honestly, this could even be bigger now. If we end up getting this, guys, I'm actually gonna do this. Let's see. I'm probably gonna extend my flag to this right here for the measure move. Okay, so there's the update right now. Look at that 618 bounce. Now we're getting the 0.5 bounce. We'll see if we get continuation. We got to get above that 21 again. So hopefully we could just kind of bounce, consolidate, and then we'll go up. If not, I love this setup. I'm okay with losing it because it's like, okay, like I'm playing by my own rules right now, and if I lose, and part of my own rules is like risk management. I don't even care if I lose this trade. Look at this though. We got a falling wedge. We got a cup and handle. That's what we got to look at too. Look at this. Cup and handle out right here. Now, if we can see that. Now, if we just broke out of that trend line a little bit. Now, if we could get up here, there's a good chance it could just kind of break up and do this. Good chance it does this. If it does this, by the way, I'm going to take gains on this move, and it's probably going to do the classic thing that's happening every day right now and come back down. Either into the pattern or bounce off again. So what I'm going to do, this is my plan right now. If it does this, consolidates, I'm going to hang tight. I'm going to watch it do its thing. If we get the cup and handle move out of this, like this up here, I'm going to take half my gains off. And I'm going to let the rest play out until it gets down in here. Then I might raise my stop loss. That's my plan. That's like my smart way of going about it. You know what I mean? Hopefully that makes sense. That's my own plan right now. If we even get that move. If we could lose this right now too. Because nothing's happening until we get above that 21. That red line. So just watching. How are you guys doing? How are you guys trading? How's your day? So right now, this could be a test of the trend line. See, we have a bull pennant type thing right now, right? But there's also other moves within it. There's just a cup and handle within it. So we just broke out of the cup and handle. We could be retesting now and get the move up. And if it doesn't, then this will probably be no bueno. Wi-Fi tell it to pump. Let's go. Day's been good. Trading tiny amounts for kicks and eating pizza. I love that. Let's go. All right, there's the potential move right now, guys, out of the cup and handle. So now here we go. This is our plan. It's another possible entry if you didn't make this entry. I'll give you another one. Just in case, right? None of this is financial advice at all, so I wouldn't do any of this. I'm just telling you, like, here's another possible idea for you. The entry would be now. Stop loss right here, super tight. So it's high risk trade, but it's also a low risk because you're stop loss. So don't, if you are taking stuff, I encourage everyone, man. Loading up. Let's go, Alex. I encourage everybody to do low leverage. Like, you don't need to go crazy on leverage if you're not getting your trades. If you're losing out on trades, getting liquidated, all that stuff, stop doing that. You got to change it up. I've been teaching people every day how I scalp. And most importantly, help them keep their gains and help them keep their money, because everyone blows up their account over and over and over, and they reload over and over and over, and then they reload, and it's a cycle. You got to get out of that cycle, man. You got to get out of that cycle. Yo, what up? So I've been really, really passionate about teaching people how to get out of that cycle. So here's the other XLM trade. I'm already in it, obviously. But there's the new idea in case you missed the first entry. It could pan out, could not. I don't know. But I got another entry. Let's see, pretty much the same spot, honestly. So I'm in the same spot. We're just watching this. I constructed all this stuff inside of it. So let's see if we get the full move out of the cup and handle. If not, I like the consolidation. So if it does break out early right here, we know why it's going to break out early. Because we're getting this cup and handle move. And then it's going to come down, most likely. We never say should have, gonna, whatever. But you know what I mean. I'm not talking about you. I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about everybody, man. You got to get out of the cycle. Yeah, you got to get out of the cycle of reloading, blowing up your account, reloading, blowing up your account. You got to get out of the cycle of that. And it's really just some simple things that I can teach you to do that. It's okay to take your gains early too. You know, that's what I've been doing a lot. So we're stair-stepping here. We got the bounce off of the 618. That's good. 21 starting to kind of come into play here. Watch closely as this kind of unfolds what's going to happen here. I don't know. What's interesting is in the other chart, look at on the other one I set up, it's got like this wick that my other one doesn't have, which is kind of weird. Like, oh, we could be, see, look, it could be breaking out like now, like down or up. So this could happen actually in a second here. Today, Danny, you entered a 75x long without paying attention. Yeah, that sucks. I've done that. Usually try 10x, yeah, for sure. So I'm gonna do this. This is the move now for XLM if we get it. Let's go. Let's see if we get it. Come on. Looking good, dude. We might get the pop out here. Come on. Get up there. And if it doesn't, I know why. I can't even post these trades right now. It's not even letting me. I don't know what's going on. It's super weird. Let me try to refresh. They're playing with this price, man. Who's prepared to lose out on this trade? That's what I want to know. Who's prepared to lose out on it? I am, for sure. Gosh, that 21's just pointing down. I don't like it. It looks like we're gonna lose it. It's like messing around, man. Here's my original setup. So we need to get this bounce right now off this trend line or off the 0.5 Fibonacci. You know, we gotta get a bounce around here for this to be valid, really. Otherwise, it could do something else. A short, we could short, yeah. I'm in stop loss at that double bottom there. Oh, right here, yeah, same. My stop loss is down here. I mean, I'm just seeing if we get a look, and if it gets a bounce right here off the 0.5, I'm gonna just move my trend line a little bit if we get the bounce. See what I mean? Just looking like it I mean, stochastics are trying to reset though. It's like, I don't know. May you give me a signal that I can use going forward. Sure, what is it? What are you thinking? Let's watch this closely and see if we get the bounce here. Come on, baby. What? Sam is absolutely not in a leverage long. Why? Yeah, totally. I mean, I love Sam. I consider him a mentor of mine. I don't actually trade. I actually will sometimes trade what Sam's not trading, and I get it like a lot of the time. You know what I mean? And a dump, yeah. Bitcoin could be doing that. We've been kind of checking. Absolutely, you could be right, man. You could be right. But I don't encourage anyone to do this. This looks like a Head and Shoulders now, huh? Look at this, by the way. So if we don't get this move right now, guys, if we don't get a bounce, we're gonna be a Head and Shoulders vibe. So it's game time right now on this trade. But BTC, here's the thing, I have my own trading style. I have my own models for sure. Yeah, definitely, I do. And then Crypto Lifer is the absolute GOAT. Sam is the GOAT. I have my own things, man, and everyone should have their own things. Sometimes I don't even trade. Like, I'll trade. See, Bitcoin's still above the 21 too. Sometimes I'll trade like stuff totally against what Sam's saying, and I'll beat him to it. Not because I'm better. We trade differently, and he does the same with me. You know what I mean? Like, Master Friend does the same. Like, Jasmine flagging out a little bit. Looking at a flag for Jasmine right now too. Here's the thing. The altcoins trade differently than Bitcoin right now. That's what you got to look at too. Bitcoin doesn't necessarily call the shots for altcoins right now. Sometimes it does. And generally, I think on the big scope of things, yes, it does. In the big scheme of things, sorry, it does. But altcoins are kind of ready. They're ready. BTC has, you got to understand how it works. BTC steals the show, then it's like Ethereum, then it's like the mid caps, then it's the micro caps. That's how it goes. It's always like a wave. You said pull a bearish fib. Yeah, I mean, you might be right, man. Like, where from here? Like, what do you mean? Hey, look at, there's the bounce. There's a possible bounce. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's see if we get this, man. XRP's flagging, Alex says. It is. It's flagging, doing something. I don't know what the bottom trend line is doing right now, but it's definitely trying to do something. We should watch that. I could see XRP either blasting off now or flagging down to the 200 MA. And if it does that, Alex, you should watch that for us. If it does that, then we'll look at it long for XRP as well. Total 3 is looking all right, though. See, look, this is how you really got to do it, too. You got to look at Total 3, man. For altcoins, you got to look at Total 3. It's flagging out on the 1 minute, too. So this could be decent for Total 3 here as well. See what I'm saying? Total 3 is in charge of altcoins. Wi-Fi pumping, nice. Yeah, it might be, man. I don't know. I mean, it definitely looks like the trade could be over. If it is, I don't care, and I'm not trying to sound weird or whatever, but I don't care what you say. I don't care what Sam says. Like, this is like, yeah, I have my own TA. You know what I mean? Like, I care about what you guys say for sure. I'm just saying, like, I'll tell you what looks great on XLM though is this, the 15-minute on XLM. If it resets, look at the 21 coming up to price, and then the 200. This is probably gonna squeeze if we don't get above it right now, which is a very high chance we won't at this point. If we don't get above it, we're gonna squeeze and then flag out and do something like this, and that would make me go long on a 15-minute or something like that. You know, just looking at different stuff. Same with Bitcoin. This 1 minute jam is not a great plan. Like, are you talking about in general? Because have you seen my gains lately? You can tell me my 1 minute jam's not is not a great plan. Please go take a look, and you can tell me that. I love when people say that stuff. It's so arrogant. It's hilarious. This 1 minute jam is not. It's not. Really. It's just really funny. And I don't mean that in a disrespectful way, but it's hilarious. Even Sam says 1 minute's where it's at. Especially when you're trying to figure out where price is gonna do like the highest probabilities. Yeah. Yeah. VRA, VET, and XRP on 1 minute today all hit. Exactly. Thank you, Danny. We did. We hit for gains, dude. This even looks not bad for VRA right now. No, you're fine, bro. It's fine. It's just funny. It's like, I don't know why. I just don't know why. I'm curious why you don't think the 1 minute is not the jam. You know what I mean? Like, why? It happens all the time. Like, look at Jasmine. This is the Jasmine flag I just drew, right? You're in the gains on that one. If you took, it's like XLN, we're gonna lose out on that one. Okay, you got me on that on the 1-1. But look at this one, dude. For Peanut, I just closed this for 200% gains literally 15 minutes ago, bro. 15 minutes ago, I literally closed this for gains. It was insane. XLM's done. There is one thing for sure on it's not my jam. Gotcha. Cool. You just said it wasn't a great plan. So I was like, okay. Blair, what's up? Yeah, it just sounded like a general term. I was like, I guess, I mean for you, but let's see what's going on here. Look at this one. This is a 1 minute jam earlier this morning for VET. Nailed that one. Sorry, I just had to point that out. XLM 1 minute jam is toast on that trade. So it's probably going to do something like this now. We'll watch that. You missed it. What was it, Alex? Alex, what was that? Turbo? Can't see it. You got a call. Not much. We didn't get that XLM one. I'm really watching this for XRP though. I'm watching for something. I'm watching for XRP to come down to the 1 minute. Turbo. Jam is toast. Yeah, dude. You could possibly get this on the retest. Let's see. If we do this is like the inverted head and shoulders, right? Inverted head and shoulders jam. Um, possibly. You could still take a stab at this, dude. Why not? Look at put your stop loss below 200. Let's freaking do it. I love it. All right, let me see. Sorry, I just had to post something real quick. All right. Isolated. I'm setting this up real quick. In my weeks. I know. All right, let's see. Let me see what's going on here. All right, let's check this out, dude. See if we get this. On the inverted head and shoulders 1 minute jammer. Let's see if we get this move here. Above, stop loss below the 200 MA. Let's ride the lightning on this, guys. Let's see if we get it. Nice find, Alex. I like it. Oh, a little pushy. You're coming in here after getting pissed at the guy in learning TA who lost 15K last day. I'm so sorry, man. That sucks. I'm really sorry to hear that, man. That sucks. If you're talking about you, right? You lost 15K in the last day? Is that what you're saying? If that's the case, man, I'm really sorry about that. Let's go, Turbo. Get in the move. Come on, baby. No, a guy that came to the 99 for education. I don't know what you're saying. What do you mean? This music is really relaxing. Trying to talk him out of trading, learn stuff. Yeah, I got you. Yeah. Yes. Let's see if we get this full send on Turbo on the retest, guys. Let's see if we get this. This music is just real real calm. Like and subscribe if you haven't, guys. The music makes me sleep. I know, dude. This is not the jam. I'm gonna come on later tonight as well, guys. Again. Let's see if we get this full send, dude, on the inverted head and shoulders on turbo. Come on. There we go. We need the hype. I know, dude. I'll bring it back later tonight with the hype, I promise. All right, so for now, guys, I'm gonna take a break. Let's see if we get this full send trade here on the 1 minute jammer rammer on turbo, inverted head and shoulders, and we'll see you guys on later today. You feel free to join the free Discords in the description here in the link. Let's rock and roll. See you guys in a little.